Welcome to all the E-Type Club members and E-Type Jaguar enthusiasts. This is the front bumper of my E-Type. It's actually the original bumper, and fortunately there wasn't too many dings and scrapes and things on it, but it was actually sent to a chromer, and they obviously dripped it in acid and stripped it, put the chrome and put the brass and the copper back onto it, and then re-chromed it. And I have to say they've made a beautiful job of it. Not a cheap option. This is about €1,000 for the four of them, and there was some modifications done on them as well. For instance, this was an American car, and it had the holes in here for the kind of half moon shape overriders that go across the front, and I wanted them out, so they had to be filled in and so on. But they've made a very nice job. The reason I'm doing the video though is to actually show these seals, how they go in. This is the other override on the other side, and you can see this is the original rubber there, and you can see what they've done. What's happened there is this is a new piece, or new strips, and this is the original one, and they've cut out a little piece there and flattened this for it to go onto the overrider to make up that really nice edge there. What I have found is you need to put these in, and then you'll find that it won't pull it in very tight, or it gets too tight. And what you have to do is just do a little bit at a time, maybe every couple of days, give it another tighten, give it another tighten, until eventually it comes into place, because it takes time to get these seals shaped correctly. And inside, I mean, obviously that bit will be cut off afterwards. Inside, I don't even know if this is correct, but these lead wedges, I thought at first they went on the body. Perhaps they do. Somebody can maybe tell me if they do. But it's a perfect for here, where the angles are too great. And if you look inside, you can see now that bolt. In fact, I'll put it up to the light. You can see that bolt is perfectly in line now with that wedge. So I think that's where they go. I certainly hope so. But all I'm saying is if you're going to put these bumpers on, don't wait until the last minute to put these rubbers in. You know, start working on them now if the car's going to be done in 6 months or a year's time, because it does take time for the seals to get to the shape that you need. And obviously, if you buy aftermarket ones from, I don't know, Vietnam, China, wherever, from my understanding, they're not going to fit as well. But if you have no choice, you have no choice. Anyway, it's just a little thing. There's a lot of nuts and bolts come with in the packets for the front and